Hi everyone, sharing with you what I want in Shanghai for my business trip. Today I'm wearing the shoes from Charles & Keys, and then my top is from Uniqlo. My skirt is from Love and Bravery, and of course my tote is from Gucci. So Gucci tote is gonna be my tote for this business trip. And the next day I am using the Gucci tote and then the top from Uniqlo, and my skirt, black skirt from H&M, wearing the same shoes from Charles & Keys, which is a black Mary Jane. For our next outfit, I'm wearing pants today. My cardigan is from H&M and my pants are from the Willow label. My shoes today are from Zara, which goes very well with my Gucci tote. The next outfit, I just changed my cardigan to be the Uniqlo cardigan in beige, and then my white pants is from the Willow label. Then my shoes from Charles & Keys, then the same bag. This is going to be my outfit during weekend. I'm gonna wear something very casual. My cardigan from Uniqlo, my short skirt from Willow label, my bags, I brought my LV with me, and then my merchants from Zara. So my LV bag is the Noe collection, which I can also do crossbody, and it's just nice for my height. And this is the seasonal colors that I bought during summertime. I think it's spring summer. And then this next outfit, I plan to wear it for the Disneyland Shanghai, and I wear this carry this LV, and my dress from Blair with the Uniqlo cardigan, and then Sarah Mary Jane. Then back to work, I'm wearing the white dress from Caramel Monster, my cardigan from H&M as usual, and then same accessory, my bags from Gucci, and then Mary Jane from Charles & Keys. And these are my outfit I worn in Shanghai. I hope you like this video. See you next time.